Ah yes, the good old God of the Gaps argument. It's unfortunate that this ignorant and unnecessary slogan is still a thing today in the debate and discussion about life's biggest questions. But again, so are memes, slogans and mockery. The God of the Gaps argument is easy to regurgitate and sounds a lot like a gotcha response. You don't know, so therefore God, huh? Just like ancient people thought that Thor or Zeus were behind that thunderstorm, we know today from science that it has a natural explanation. And the same will be for other big questions in life that you theists fill with a god or gods. Science will continue with time to find natural explanations to them. Okay, that's adorable. Now, we could talk a lot about the underlying strong bias here and philosophical presupposition behind this reasoning that strongly implies that the existence of a God and the God as the uncast first cause behind the universe is not even on the table. But furthermore, just because science has found natural explanations to things that ancient people previously attributed to a god or gods, it does not follow that science, given enough time, will find natural explanations to the big questions in life. That's a non sequitur fallacy. Loads of theistic arguments Christians find convincing, all from cosmological arguments to historical ones surrounding the resurrection of Jesus, the reliability of the New Testament and rise of early church, are not based on what we don't know, but what we do know. Facts affirmed by Christians and non-Christians, looking at the same data. Look, there are no conflict between religion and science. The conflict is between two worldviews, atheism and theism. And there are scientists of the highest level, even Nobel Prize winners on both sides. God is spirit, John 4:24. The universe we know and do science in, God is in it, through it, beyond it. The scientific method alone does not work on God. By definition, on both God and science. Don't make that silly category fallacy. Well, isn't that convenient, you Christian? Well, God is not the only thing that cannot be explained by the scientific method. For example, logical, mathematical and metaphysical truths cannot be proven by science. Science presupposes them, so to use science to argue for them would be arguing in circle. Science can also not prove ethical truths and beliefs about statement of value, and the scientific method itself cannot be proven by the scientific method. Why is the Mocha Express boiling? Well, the heated thermal energy in the water is causing water molecules to move around until it's exceeding the strength of the hydrogen bonds between the molecules, which is causing them to separate from other molecules and... no. The answer to why the Mocha Express is boiling is because I want a cup of coffee. See what I did there? God is not the same as the scientific explanation. God is the explanation as to why explanations even exist at all.